Here's a 2009 Ford F150. I believe it's the same on the Super Duty. If you need to make an adjustment or remove the wiper arm, it's pretty simple. Not a whole lot is needed as far as tools go. The easiest way is to go ahead and lift up on the arm. You can see that there's movement in the arm at that point. And then there's a little lever right here. Typically you just give that a pull out. You can actually move it with one hand. I'm holding the phone on one side, and then there's little splines so you can actually adjust this if it's out of adjustment, or if you want to lower that down just a little bit. It's probably one spline off. Again, going ahead and lift that up, move it one, then move it. There we go. You can see that it adjusts its location on the windshield. And this is a 2009 Ford F-150, no special tools needed.